Hi everyone, my name is Abel Greg Kantuma. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these numbers. Okay. We have covered structural designs and detailings, water designs, road designs. We've covered architectural designs, both 2D and 3D. We've covered mechanical and electrical service drawings as well. They are all very much available on this channel. Go down below the description of this video, you find a link to that channel. Make sure you visit the channel and keep yourself busy. Okay, you can call me on any of this number, okay, or you can DM me on WhatsApp. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to actually generate your detailed drawings on protasteel. Okay, after doing your modeling on steel, after doing your modeling your steel, okay, and then you take it to protasteel for your detailing, and then I'll be showing you how you can actually move your detailing to your AutoCAD environment. Okay, so if you love what you are seeing already, make sure you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, now you can see this is actually our model, our steel model. So I'm going to go to analysis, and then I will rerun this analysis. Okay, so sometimes if you don't run this analysis again, it's taking this moving your model down to your protasteel might actually be difficult, or you may be having difficulty in opening your protasteel. So we train people on how to come about design using 25 different softwares right now. Protaststructure is one of them. Quick Civil Series is one of them, and so many other softwares are actually part of what we take in our trainings. Okay, so you can come register with us. We'll guide you on how to install the softwares properly in your system. Okay, then we'll guide you through the process of design as a beginner until you attain mastery. Okay, this is actually still loading, so we have to wait for this to actually finish loading. Okay, still member design check. So I will advise you to actually get Protaststructure 2021. This is the latest version of Protaststructure right now that I'm using. Okay, it has so many other advantages ahead of the Protaststructure 218 and the 219 that we are actually familiar with. So I will advise you to lay your hands on this version. It's actually very, very great. So I'll be showing you some of the features in your protast steel. We are going to go through all of that together right away. Okay, good. I think it's done. Now I'm going to click on close. It's loading in the background. You can see. Okay, that is done. So the next thing here I will do is to go to drawings and report. I'll click on protasteel. Okay, it's loading. Okay, good. So if you're having challenges with your protasteel, you can contact me. Mine is actually working perfectly, as you can see. Okay, good. Now this is protasteel environment. For those of you that are not very much familiar with it, this is your protasteel environment. Then I'm going to insert the connections here. Okay, so You can see I already have some connections from the previous work I have actually generated from this. Okay, this is pretty very easy to actually work with. If you are familiar with Protest Structure 2018, you can see there's a whole lot of similarities here. But one of the difference here is the interconnect that you have here, where you have your create polyline connections, your get connections. Automatically, it will create all of those connections and place them where they are supposed to be automatically by itself. You can see all of my connections are here. Some of the connections rather are already present in the design. You can see this is brace. Here we have a brace. We have a connection here from my guts here as well. So all you need to do to get that connection is very easy. It's just for you to highlight, you right click and come to your teleconnect, and then once you click on your get connections, it actually places those connections there. You can see which type of connection you want to use. All you need to do is just to select the particular type of connection that you want, or if you want it to be automatic, it will actually automatically place connection for you and choosing the right connections for you. Okay, now you can see the connections has been provided here for my guts. So you can repeat the same procedure for all of the connections that you will want to have on your design. Okay. I have treated this, I think, previously in my previous uh, tutorial here on YouTube using 2018. Here, if you come down here to your drawings and report, the first thing you need to do is just to click on perform numbering. Is actually going to perform the numbering for you. Apply and start numbering. It's going to take place. You can see the numbering is complete. The next thing you do is to go to your drawings. You can create your drawings in parts. You draw, create drawing in parts. Then you come back here, and then come back to create assembly drawing. So once you click on that board, if you click down here, you can see you'll be able to view your drawings. So this is 3D. Okay, these are the drawings that we have here. Sorry, some pattern. Okay, I'm supposed to highlight that. I believe that was why that didn't work. Let me go back to 3D. What's going on here? 3D view. Okay, sorry. I will highlight this. Drawing, create parts. Okay, so create assembly drawing. Okay. So you can see it's creating those drawings for me down below here. Oh, perfect. I think it's almost done. 8 of 9. Okay. Now, to create, open, or manage drawings, press F6 or double click on Drawing Manager in Explorer. So I'll just double click on my Drawing Manager here. Okay, now you can see the list of drawings. So whichever I want, I can select all. Okay, mark as checked, mark as unchecked. I'll click on select all, and I click on, I can export. So let me export this. So it's loading. Okay. This is actually going to take a very, very long time to finish exporting this. I'm done with 1, 2. So I'm going to abort this. Okay, I want this video to be as brief as possible. So, but then we can view our detailing here from here. So let me just view the drawing. Okay. Or let me open them. I'm just going to open it here. Okay, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, good. It's not done yet. I just want to view the detailed drawings. Oh, great. So I'm going to close. Now you can see all of these are actually open. That is what it's telling us here. So good. You can see our detailing here. So this is the detailing. Okay. So we can as well export these to our DXF format, and then you view it in your AutoCAD environment. Okay, so if I double click on any of this, it takes me to the drawing of this, the detailing of. Okay, so we can see the detailing for each of those structural members. Okay, it's amazing, right? It's amazing. If you love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like these on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, let's come back to the 3D of this drawing. Okay, model view. Okay, you can see here I have front elevation. I created this myself, so I'll show you how to come about that. I'll close some of these views. Okay, I have closed that. It's closed. This one is closed as well. So to achieve this, all you need to do is just to come to your views, come to create view. I'm going to use by 2 points. So if I click here and I drag here, okay, so you can see it has given me this. So all I need to do is just to right click and go to set view properties. I'll name this view, I can give it a name, let's say front, and I apply, and then I click on OK. Let me go to set view, create view, 2 points. Sorry, let me switch to my 3D. So this time around, I'm going to click here and here. So you can see what I have here. Okay, so I can do it for as many views as I want to have. Okay, all I need to do is just to give it a name. Okay, I can name this side, then I click on OK. So you can see my front and side is now very much available here. If I click on front, it brings me here. Okay, okay, good. All right, let's do something here quickly. Okay, let me try to export DXF. I'll name this 001. Sorry, click here first. Okay, you can see all the detailings here. Steel design. Let me double click on this and see what we have there. This where the drawings are exported the other time. Okay, sorry, let me click on export. So it's actually going to take it down to the AutoCAD environment. Okay, save as. I'm not trying to save these. I want to open this file as. Wait, let me check. My AutoCAD is open. I need to open my AutoCAD environment. Still design. This is it. Yeah, it's loading. I opened this multiple times, which is not supposed to be so. Still loading, okay. Go to documents, protast data.
Protasteel. Okay, shorted drawings. DXF. It's empty. Okay. There's no problem. I think it didn't save there. Alright, I'll figure it out now. I think that drawing is hidden somewhere. But I'm going to locate it right away. No doubt, no doubt. I'll locate it right now. Export DXF. Still. Okay. The system is loaded, so it's kind of slow, but okay. Okay, so you can export all of those detailing to your AutoCAD environment, and then you can print directly from here, from the AutoCAD environment. Okay, so whichever steel member you want to actually print out, or you want to print all of your drawings, all you need to do is just to export them, and then you can actually print them there in your AutoCAD environment. Okay, so let's switch to this 3D. So as you can see, it's actually very easy to generate from your protasteel. In your protasteel 2021, you can as well insert your connections from your protasteel 2021 very easy, and then you can export each of your drawings very easily on your protasteel 2021 as well. Okay, so if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Just like it and give it a thumbs up. Down below the video, you'll find a red button written subscribe. Just click on that red button and you have subscribed already. Okay, so make sure you stay safe and make sure you